In this segment, we explore the fascinating concept of AI rewriting one of the greatest films of all time, The Godfather. Imagine the iconic lines, the epic story, all reimagined with a modern twist. Let's dive into how artificial intelligence could breathe new life into this classic.
Picture this, The Godfather, reimagined by AI. Same iconic lines, same epic story, but with a modern twist. It's genius.
Modern twist? Like what? Leave the gun, take the vegan kale smoothie?
Exactly. AI brings innovation. No more tired reboots. It can analyze every successful movie, mix in audience preferences, and deliver a masterpiece tailored to today's tastes.
And by today's tastes, you mean TikTok dances and Avengers cameos?
Think about it. Vito Corleone is a tech mogul, consolidating power over Silicon Valley. His enemies, competing social media influencers.
So instead of horses, they send severed Wi-Fi routers to send a message?
Exactly. The opening scene. Vito sitting in a minimalist office, sipping oat milk, while an influencer begs for a brand deal. Someday, and that day may never come, I'll ask you to collab.
I'm sure Brando would be thrilled.
Now, let's take a look at some of the absurd yet intriguing possibilities of AI-generated movie clips. A tech mogul Vito dramatically closing a laptop, a TikTok influencer doing the Godfather challenge, and a robot consigliere offering advice in binary. The future of cinema, perhaps?
And the best part? AI can predict audience reactions. No more risky scripts or box office flops. It's calculated perfection.
Sure, until it glitches and casts a cat as the lead. Don Corleone, played by Mr. Whiskers.
Hey, that's thinking outside the box. AI can create new dynamics. Imagine an all-AI cast. Digital Marlon Brando, virtual Al Pacino. No diva tantrums, no scheduling conflicts.
Just endless reboots of The Godfather 2.0, and The Godfather Revenge of the Algorithms.
Admit it, you're intrigued. AI could even fix the plot holes and bad sequels. No more Godfather Part 3 disasters.
Right, because nothing screams artistic integrity like letting a robot rewrite history. Just when I thought I was out, the algorithm pulled me back in.
It's not rewriting history, it's enhancing it. Imagine all the possibilities. AI could reboot Star Wars, The Matrix, even Twilight.
Twilight, let me guess. Edward the Vampire becomes Edward the Cyborg, powered by solar panels.
A fake trailer for The Godfather AI edition featuring over-the-top CGI effects, robots in fedoras, and dramatic slow-motion scenes of digital cannoli.
You're just afraid AI might actually do a better job. What if audiences love it? What if the AI becomes the director?
And what if the Oscars start giving out Best Algorithm Awards? I'd like to thank my CPU and all the coders who believed in me.
The future is here, my friend. AI isn't just writing movies, it's creating a whole new genre.
Call it predictable fiction, coming soon to a streaming service near you.
Subscribe to AI Uncovered for more laughs and future tech insights. What classic movie would you let AI reboot? Let us know in the comments.